AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. The goal of AI is to develop machines that can learn, reason, problem, solve, perceive, and understand natural language, among other human-like abilities. The primary aim is to simulate cognitive functions that humans use to make decisions and solve problems. There are various subfields of AI, each addressing specific aspects of intelligence. Machine learning. This involves designing algorithms that allow machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. Natural language processing. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. Computer vision. This area focuses on enabling machines to see and interpret visual information from images and videos, recognizing objects, people, and other relevant features. Robotics. AI-powered robots are designed to interact with their environment and perform tasks with varying degrees of autonomy. Expert systems. These are AI systems that use knowledge bases and rules to reason and solve problems in specific domains, such as medical diagnosis or financial analysis. AI can be categorized into two types. Narrow AI, weak AI. This type of AI is designed for a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. Examples include virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa and recommendation systems used by online platforms. General AI, strong AI. General AI, which remains largely theoretical, would possess human-like intelligence and be capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. AI has already found its way into numerous applications across industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, education, and more. Its potential to streamline processes, make data-driven decisions, and revolutionize industries makes it a powerful tool for solving complex challenges and improving various aspects of human life. However, the development of AI also raises ethical concerns related to privacy, security, and potential job displacement, requiring careful consideration and regulation as the technology progresses.